Life isn't fair. Some people get rich simply by luck, a random crypto investment, being at the right place at the right time, or even inheriting wealth. Meanwhile, the rest of us hustle for years trying to figure out the secret. But here's the truth. Building a $1 net worth doesn't require luck, magic, or even genius. It's a game, and like any game, it has rules. This video is here to teach you those rules. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to becoming a millionaire. Key question: do you want to spend decades chasing money or reach your goals faster? Step 1. Define your financial destination. Before we get into strategies, let's figure out what rich means to you. Do you want to be ultra rich, owning private jets, mansions, and yachts with a net worth of $100 billion or more? Financially free, having enough money to live comfortably, pay bills, and enjoy life without stress? Here's a reality check. Being ultra rich comes with immense responsibility. You're managing teams, protecting assets, and constantly hustling. It's like playing Monopoly. Fun at first, but exhausting when the board is full, and all you can do is protect what you've built. Financial freedom, on the other hand, is achievable, sustainable, and doesn't require sacrificing every moment of your life chasing money. Let's focus on financial freedom for now. This path doesn't mean giving up on wealth. It means finding a balance that lets you live well. Step 2. Understand assets, liabilities, and net worth. To become a millionaire, you need to understand this formula. Net worth equal assets minus liabilities. Let's break it down. Assets are things you own that have value. This includes your home, if you own it outright, investments like stocks, real estate, or Bitcoin, a business you've built. Even small items like a camera or pressure washer can count if they're worth money. Liabilities are debts or financial obligations, like a mortgage, credit card balances, student loans. The goal is simple: grow your assets and shrink your liabilities. Step 3. Real estate, the millionaire's favorite asset. Here's why real estate is such a popular path to $1. It's relatively simple and highly scalable. Here's how it works. 1. Buy property. You don't need $500,000 up front to buy a house. You only need a down payment, usually 20%. The rest? Borrow it as a loan. 2. Rent it out. Find tenants to live in the property. Their rent covers your loan payments and may leave you with extra cash each month. 3. Wait and profit. Over time, real estate usually increases in value. When you sell, you pay off the loan and keep the profit. Real estate isn't risk-free, but with education, like reading books or taking courses, you can avoid common mistakes and set yourself up for success. Pro tip: research property values in your area before buying. Look for growing neighborhoods with increasing demand. Step 4. Taxes, the sneaky wealth killer. Think earning $1 makes you a millionaire? Think again. Taxes can take 30 to 50% of your income, depending on where you live. Here's how to stay ahead. Work with a tax professional to minimize your obligations legally. Use tax advantage accounts like 401ks or IRAs if you're in the US. Focus on investments that offer tax benefits like real estate depreciation or municipal bonds. Key takeaway: to truly become a millionaire, aim higher to account for taxes. Step 5. Choose your path to $1 million. You have 3 main options to build wealth. 1. Invest in assets, stocks, real estate, or businesses. 2. Earn from a high-paying job, stable but takes time. 3. Start a business, high risk but high reward. Each path has its pros and cons. For most people, combining all three is the fastest route to success. For example, start with a job to save money. Invest savings into assets like stocks or real estate. Use your experience to build a side business or freelance gig. Step 6. Leverage your wealth. Multiplier. Leverage is like a secret weapon. It multiplies the impact of your efforts. Labor. Hire others to do tasks you don't have time for. This frees you up to focus on higher value work. Capital. Use borrowed money or saved income to invest in profitable ventures. Media and code. Automate and amplify your efforts through technology or social platforms like YouTube or LinkedIn. Key takeaway: the more leverage you apply, the faster you'll grow your wealth. Step 7. Solve problems to make money. Every dollar earned is a solution to a problem. The bigger the problem, the more people will pay for the solution. Examples: a student struggling in school, offer tutoring. A homeowner with a dirty driveway, start a pressure washing service. A busy professional with no time to cook, sell meal plans or healthy snacks. Pro tips to earn more. Solve big problems. Bigger issues justify higher prices. Offer convenience. People pay for simplicity. Deliver results quickly. The faster the solution, the more valuable it is. Step 8. Build value, not just wealth. At the heart of all wealth creation is value. Whether you're running a business or working a job, focus on how you can make someone else's life better. If you consistently provide value, the money will follow. Becoming a millionaire isn't a pipe dream. It's a process. Focus on growing your assets, leveraging your time and money, and solving meaningful problems. If this video helped you understand the path to $1 million, hit the subscribe button and join me on the journey to financial freedom. Let's build a brighter future together.